Oh yeah. Yo, that was sick. Alright, that's enough baby talk.
They're just like goofy fucking pandas.
Hello everyone, welcome back. We're finally tasting this mead.
Woo!
We've got Ross here,
Yeah.
brand new to the channel. Well, this will probably come out second, so
Newish. New
if you
faces.
haven't seen him already, here he is. Cherry pomegranate.
Oh yeah.
And actually, I'm not going to tell you the other two things. I want to see if you can
Okay.
taste them.
The other two things besides honey.
Well, yes. Besides honey, there are two other pretty key ingredients to this.
They got a big vanilla nose to it for sure.
There's number one.
Well, that's really nice. That tastes like winter way more than the dandelion one. That's like a holiday sitting around, like vanilla, honey, cherry, pomegranate. What else is there?
This was bottled April 22nd. I started it December 31st last year.
Is it an allspice thing? Is it like an anise allspice thing, or what else do you have going on in there?
How would I describe it without giving it away?
Yeah, fair enough. Hold on. Yeah, I don't know. You get the cherry and pomegranate. You get, I guess the acidity is coming from pomegranate. That's where I'm getting most of that from. There's no lemon or no other like citrus added to it, is there? No, it's nice. It's definitely like it has a heartier flavor, but it's lighter drinking than the dandelion one. Like the dandelion one felt more like a mouth coating one, where this doesn't.
It was much more viscous.
Yeah.
Well, the other ingredient, because I know
Yeah,
really
we'll get there eventually, maybe.
it's not super obvious, so I'll just tell you what it is.
what you got?
It's chocolate.
Okay, yeah, fair enough.
It's that sort of deep undernote.
That kind of blends real into that vanilla honey stuff for sure, but that's rad. Did you
It's-
use like cacao nibs, or like would you?
Yes.
You just steep those in the booze itself?
Yep.
Oh yeah.
What's interesting too, because you mentioned the dandelion being a little bit heavier, a little bit more viscous.
Yeah.
But the ending gravity,
Yeah.
which is basically how much sugar
Yeah,
exists,
yeah. No, that's.
are about the same.
What do you use to? How do you figure that? How do you figure out gravity in this? Is it a light meter you use, or how do you?
It's just like it's called a hydrometer.
Okay.
So it's a little glass thing, and it.
Because we did when I used to make gelato and ice cream and stuff, we would smear it on. It was like what the fuck was the name of that thing? One of those crazy things you could like look through the light, and based off the sugar refracting, you could see how much content was in it.
Whoa.
It was a weird
That
thing.
sounds fancy.
Yeah, it's fancy, but it looks like a little kid's toy. It's like you pop this thing out and look through it. It has some really corny name I should know, but I don't.
Yeah, no, hydrometer, super
Yeah.
simple. It just shows you how much sugar is existing in
So
the
there is
alcohol.
more sugar in this one than the other ones.
No, it's the same amount.
Same amount?
The same amount as dandelion. Yeah, they ended at about the same, which it just goes to show how interesting, or how different flavors, different fruits, different things can kind of
Blend together real well.
meld the
Yeah,
drink.
now that you say chocolate, you definitely smell that one.
Yeah, I actually have the chocolate just as much as the vanilla.
It sort of transforms, and because it's in cacao
Yeah, now that you
nib,
say that, like I can feel the bitterness coming like right at the end on the front of your tongue. You get that like I had a big bite of dark chocolate like feeling left over there.
I've also tried the other meads you've had with chocolate in them. So
That's cool. Has anyone else done that with a chocolate
have.
thing? I don't think I've ever heard of that before.
rarely. Usually it's like a raspberry chocolate. It'll be like a special one-off, like Valentine's Day.
Yeah,
made.
exactly.
And this one is 14.5%.
Okay, so a little stronger than the other guys.
Yes, quite a bit. That is a very strong wine. This didn't clear like the other ones. I bottled it too soon, so it's still a little. It's got.
Is that about filtering or just as it's how it settles?
I don't have a filtration system. You can buy them.
Yeah.
So it's really just letting it age and
Gotcha, letting
everything
it-
settles.
yeah.
And then you just move it off.
How big of do you have how big are the vats you're doing at your house? You have like big old tubs out there? Like do you have a whole room full of like 50-gallon water tubs and stuff or 500-gallon ones?
I usually just work with a gallon at a time.
Right on.
Yeah, the biggest I have I think is 7. Of course, if I went to more of like a professional commercial level,
Yeah.
then that's when I'd want to hit like the 15 to 30 gallon.
Hell yeah. No, yeah, that's like a really
At least
fun
3 gallons.
alternative to like, you know, a nice, like, what are you buying for Valentine's Day? Champagne and red wine for somebody? Like, that's a fun alternative that already kind of like tastes like that winter holiday, you know? Like, that'd be perfect for that. Mm-hmm. Put those in big bright red bottles, slap a goofy heart on them and sell them to everybody.
I like it.
Yeah, it tastes good.
Your mom said.
Yeah, that was pretty nice.
Oh,
You
big
want to see
truck.
if
Mommy.
you want to see if she can get it?
Oh, she definitely will.
Yeah, you make mead.
Yeah, you can. We're already.
Go have a seat.
So
Alright.
here's our second special guest. It's Ross's mom, and we're gonna see if she can guess what's in
what's
this
in
mead
this?
here.
What's mead made out of?
It's just a honey wine. So it has fruit. There's like 4 key ingredients besides honey.
Oh, it's good.
It is good, right?
Like cherry,
Yes, that is one.
pomegranate.
Yeah, that's 2.
There's more.
There's
Oh,
2
dear.
more ingredients, but they're not fruit. You hit all the fruits.
Oh, good. Okay. I love fruit, so that was why.
No, you like that one a lot. That's the one I thought you would really enjoy.
So at the end, you get the last 2 ingredients here are is vanilla and chocolate. The chocolate isn't like, you know, obviously it's not like a typical chocolate. It's just cacao nibs soaked.
You can kind of taste it now that you say that. Mm-hmm. Chocolate and cherry go well together, don't they?
They do.
That's
Go.
really good, though. I like this
Thank you. I'm glad.
because I'm not a
Thanks for-
beer. I'm not a beer drinker.
Thanks for participating.
but
I
do
know,
like
yeah.
that.
All right, well, thank you so much for
Yeah, thanks for coming out here and drinking mead with me.
for all the things. It's been fun.
It's been great. We got to drink mead. We got to hang out with puppies, watch birds fly around everywhere.
It's true.
Yeah.
It's been a good time.
It's a magical place out here.
And the verdict is that this is good and y'all should make it. The end. Pretty
Yeah.
much.
Make it, watch her YouTube videos, give her all the money.
Yes, please. All right, thank you, everyone.
Bye. Y'all.
Bye.